Well, my last video I had to pause it, so here we go. Continue. So what I had to do was unloosen these two to pop this up, and then so you wiggle it, and screw it, and then pops up, has a little bit of resistance to it. And you pop it up, boom. Look at that. Man, there's a lot of heat coming out of there. Holy cow. Look at that. Ain't that sick? Look at the turbos, man. Yeah. Turn turbo, baby. Damn, that's sick. Yeah, it's pretty warm. All right, hang on. Let me get this out of here. So I'm gonna pause it. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So I got the top off. Let's take a look at these things. This is my first time checking out our first oil change. Oh, wow. You see the turbos. This thing's a monster. Go all the way to the back. What a nice little setup. Oh, wow. What does that say? Oh, yeah. Dang, these. Ooh, baby. Yeah, what a beast. Oh, my goodness. All right, so next. There's the oil filter. Y'all see that? So guess what? This got to come off too. Yeah, this cross member. That's it. And we get to it right there. She's a little hot. We gotta let her cool off. So we're gonna pause real quick. Or you know what? Let's keep her going. Let's see what size torque she is. Okay. Smaller. Let's go. Yeah, it is. What size is she? It's 30. Yeah. All right, so we just gotta get her off and get them off. All right, let me see. I need to get my ratchet. So, oh my goodness, the sensors on these things. Let's see. Just clamp on it, I think. I have to be careful here. All right, hang on, need both my fingers. That's all right. So how I got that off, I'll show you on this one. So, where's it at? Oh, that one's on top. Okay, so this one's on the other side was on the bottom. So all you do, pull that up. Come on, focus camera. Pull this back, and this slides up. Boom, and you got that off of that bar. So now you can just take this off. Let's see how tight it is on there. Put that one back. We don't need that right now. We'll use this one. What? It's also screwed to the side. So you got 3 bolts, top and right there. And this is just the top, and then we got the bottom. Okay. All right, let's see how well this will work. Nope. Come on. It's gonna break or it's gonna work. Oh, wow. So they're not really screwed on fairly tight. See? Oh, okay. pretty good. That's it, you see? So this tool is not bad. Oh yes, there we go. And there we go. Let's get them on this one first. Yeah, see? And here we go. All right. All right, that's it. God. It's not worth it just to change the oil, though. You know, it's not simple like an American's car or an old classic, you know what I'm saying? Put the car up, pull the plug, unscrew the oil filter, and here we go. Nope, not this one. All right. There's nothing to it. Isn't that crazy? Nothing to it. That's why you pay a lot of money is for the labor. And the oil, of course. Oil ain't cheap for this thing. 10 quarts. 10 quarts. You know that? 10 quarts. Alright, so let's see if these are all the same length. So these are, let's set them up here. A little. Set them up there. Okay, so we got this last one. This one probably be shorter, so we'll know. If it is right now. Come on, baby. Yep. And that's what I thought. That one's shorter. See? That one's a little shorter. It's on the bottom. Alright, so 3 more. 3 more, folks. Seven minutes. Wow, the first video is almost 4:10. Let me see how long it's taking this to take it apart. It's not too bad. So I don't know what they charge at the shop, but it depends where you go. The dealer's a lot. I'll tell you that. I don't know the amount, but it's a lot. Me, free labor. Make time to do it. Yeah, baby. Okay. Alright, see that? Alright. Boom. Yeah. All the bolts are here. You know what's what. Okay. There goes the cross member. Hot. That's it. Look at that. There's an oil filter. Holy smokes. There's an oil filter. Oh boy, so I set this thing down. Alright, so that's it, y'all. So this is how you get to the oil filter on the SQ7 twin turbo V8. It's a monster. This thing is fucking, I mean, this thing is really nice. It's a really good vehicle. Yeah, that's why you call it super SUV. It's a monster. It goes. All right, folks, enjoy the video. That's it.